Welcome to SmartStudy AI. Today I'm sharing 5 AI study hacks that can save you hours every week. Hack Hash 1, AI Summarizers. Use tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity to turn long textbooks into short study notes. Hack Hash 2, Flashcards in Seconds. Upload your notes into Quizlet or Anki with AI-generated flashcards. Hack Hash 3, Smart Scheduling. Use AI apps like Notion AI to plan study sessions around your energy levels. Hack Hash 4, AI Transcribers. Record lectures, then let Otter.ai or Nada turn them into searchable notes. Hack Hash 5, Essay Helpers. Use AI to outline essays, brainstorm ideas, and check grammar, without writing it all for you. Try one of these today and you'll see how much time you can save. Don't forget to subscribe to SmartStudy AI by YSLE for more study hacks.